This is a man in critical condition at UVM Medical Center, and we learned 2 others with symptoms are also at the hospital. Their status is not known yet. Local 22's Courtney Adelman is live with more on what doctors and specialists had to say. Courtney?
Well, that's right, Lauren. The Chittenden County patient, a man in his 70s, is in intensive care. And the UVM Medical Center says they are working closely with the health department and the CDC as the situation continues to evolve.
It's clear that coronavirus is in Vermont now. We knew it was coming because it's been surrounding us for a little while.
Dr. Stephen Leffler, president of University of Vermont Medical Center, talked to reporters outside to address the situation inside the hospital. Officials are still doing the work on the case presumed positive Wednesday night.
The Department of Health is doing an extensive trace right now of everywhere they've been and to the extent possible the potential exposures to others.
Dr. Leffler says they have been preparing to treat patients with the novel coronavirus for weeks now.
Our team is well prepared. We have strong plans in place. We've been modifying those plans daily as the situation changes following CDC guidelines.
The UVM Health Network has added additional policies to ensure the safety of employees and the public.
We've instituted travel and meeting policies as an organization. We know that one of the most effective ways to reduce the spread of the virus is what is being called through the CDC social distancing.
UVM Health Network CEO Dr. John Brumstead says the network is limiting meetings to 25 people in big rooms. They are also revising the visitation policy.
Overall, we're trying to limit to only the essential, the people that come in and out of the hospital.
Coronavirus is spread through droplets in the air, and it is believed to contaminate surfaces.
You should assume when you're going out and about in public right now that you could be being exposed, and you should take all appropriate precautions.
And health officials want to remind the public to stay home if you're sick and wash your hands for 20 seconds. You can stay updated on Vermont's cases as we learn more about them on our website, mychamplainvalley.com. Live in the newsroom, Courtney Adelman, Local 22 News.